Hello everyone, I am Steven, aka Momo. This is the Xingmun River in Shatin. Very beautiful today. And today I want to talk about 2021 and 2022. Well, I'm a musician and that's pretty obvious, right? And not a whole lot of people know about my keto cooking and cryptocurrency background. I think I got into cryptocurrency because of my programming background. It is very computer oriented. And I got into Bitcoin back in 2013. And I never really seriously got into cryptocurrency stuff until 2021. And for keto cooking, well, since I'm on ketogenic diet, I have to prep a lot of my own meals. And my dad was a restaurant chef. So I think that's where I got my cooking stuff from. And music stuff, my mom was actually a singer from Vietnam. So I think that's where I got my musicality from. So in 2021, I seriously got into keto cooking and cryptocurrency. And I made quite a few videos about them and I uploaded them onto my Stephen Lee Music YouTube channel. However, that actually got some people upset because they subscribed to my channel for music stuff, but then they saw me cooking and talked about cryptocurrency in Cantonese. So in 2022, I decided to separate the content into 3 different YouTube channels. So all my music contents will be still on Stephen Lee Music. Cryptocurrency stuff will be on my new cryptocurrency YouTube channel and Telegram. And my keto cooking will be on my new YouTube channel and Instagram as well. And I have all the links down below. So go ahead and subscribe to everything that you see down there. And for YouTube, don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified when I have new contents uploaded. So in 2022, I will upload more contents into the right channels. So I'll see you guys real soon. Peace.